Okay, good evening everybody. I am once again here continuing with the short lecture on product design. So in the past few lectures, I have started discussion on the technologies that is concurrent engineering, concurrent, concurrent or simultaneous engineering, simultaneous engineering. And in the last 2 or 3 lectures I have discussed about what are the definitions of concurrent engineering and what management gurus has given the definition of the concurrent engineering. And I have discussed regarding the aspects that cover up the part of the competitive environment strategy as well as the basic activities on which concurrent engineering focuses. Now I am just continuing the topic ahead with its sequential engineering approach of concurrent engineering, that is sequential approach of concurrent engineering. So it covers up the parts, first of all, that is marketing. From marketing it goes to the next step of engineering design. And from engineering design it goes to manufacture, then for testing, and finally to the production. So this is the sequential approach of concurrent engineering, which plays an important role in the product design. Why? Because it covers up the aspect of marketing. First of all, marketing. Second thing, engineering design as well as also the testing, and if any feedback is required it can be covered up here. Now if we move ahead, taking the another graph of the this continuing with the sequential application. So you can see here that is it is the requirement definition here, requirement definition of the product, then its design, then process development, and the second last, that is prototype testing, and finally that is the production. So if you take the last diagram into consideration and you just place these things below like this, it comes here, it comes here, so you will see that this part from here to here, it is the lead time or the manufacturing lead time, which is the safe lead time, and which is help in the floating of the product into market, which reduces the time and helping in the capturing of the market. So this is the new approach, and it is known as the approach of concurrent engineering or sequential or simultaneous engineering. Now the process covers up the part of designing, then verifying, then review, then production, then testing, which includes the performance, manufacturability, assemblability, and testability, and these all aspects are covered up in the approach of the concurrent engineering. So when you will go through the topic in your reference book,